Now, no Windows user want to lose their important data, file or application from their PC and laptop. But there comes a time when your Windows crashes or you get BitLocker enabled or face several situations that can lead to the data loss. And in spite knowing this, we still make this single mistake where we have only one partition, mostly called the C drive, that contains the Windows operating system and even all kind of file, application, games, data on one single partition. Now what will happen in future if anything goes wrong, if your Windows crashes, you will not be able to recover the data from this partition. But no worries, today I'm going to share a simple tip that you can apply right now to get full peace of mind. So what exactly we are going to do? I will be creating a new partition here, and after creating the new partition, we can move all the file, all the data that comes in your desktop, download, document, pictures, music, videos. It will be automatically moved to a new location, to a new partition. And from the future, whenever you create any kind of file on your desktop or any of these locations, that will be automatically saved to your new partition instead of the C drive that contains your operating system. So what you will have to do, right click on the Windows icon, look for disk management, click on it. In the disk management, you will find your C drive and you have to shrink the volume so that we can take some space from this drive and create another partition. So make a right click on it, click on shrink volume. Then it will ask you that what kind of amount you want to shrink. Now I would say before taking the space, make sure that you keep at least 20 or 25 gigabyte of space free in the C drive, or else the computer will hang or it may not work properly. Alright, so on my end I can take around 45 gigabyte or just 40, and I will take it in a round figure. So 1 gigabyte contain 1024 and we have to enter the value in MB. So for 40 gigabyte, it would be around 40,000. And then I have to click on shrink. And you can see 39.06 gigabyte unallocated space has been created. Now I can make a right click on it, choose new simple volume, click on next, next, next. And volume label, I can give it like data drive or whatever you want to give, and click on next, finish. And bingo. So now if I bring up the file explorer, you will find that I still have 22.6 gigabyte free on my C drive, and rest of the space has been converted to a new partition of data drive. So we are done with the first step. Now in the next step, what we have to do, we have to move all the data from the C drive to this partition. And for that, open the C drive, look for users, double click on it. Then look for your user account, double click on it, and here you will find all the location like contacts, desktop, document, download, favorites, music, OneDrive, picture. So what you can do, you can select all the location here, right click on it, and instead of copy, you have to choose cut, because we want that once we paste these all files to the new partition, everything should be deleted from this partition so that the extra space can be created. So I will choose cut here. Then I will go to my new partition and paste all the file over here. Alright, so once pasted, again if I go to this PC and go to C drive, users, my PC, so you will find everything is been empty here as everything has been moved to the new location. Now what will happen? In the future, if you save any file to your desktop or to document, picture, music or videos, everything will be saved automatically to this new partition. So for example, let me create a folder here on my desktop. So I'll go to new, choose folder, type it test. So now if I go to my new partition, go to desktop. So I will find this folder over here. Alright, similarly in the future, if you download any kind of software or if you install any kind of application, either it will save to this new partition, or while installing it, you can change the destination to the D drive. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully this small trick you were missing so far, and once you have applied, you will have completely peace of mind that your data will not be lost. Even your operating system drive get crashed or anything goes wrong, your data will be saved into a new partition. And if you enjoyed the video guys, found the video informative, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.